Hello, my friends. As we know, English has been the most popular language in the world,
Yes, sir.
and English grammar is very much required to speak and write correct English.
Yes, sir.
So, as a reference, we are taking one of the best books, Essential Grammar in Use, published by Cambridge University Press UK. This book is designed for children and elementary students of English to enable them to understand the basic grammar topics. Today, I am going to start Unit number 19. In this unit, I am going to teach you how to use since, for, and ago in our day-to-day life. So, you should listen and watch this video carefully. Okay, well, let us get started now. Unit number 19. For, since, and ago. Section A. For and since. We use for and since to say how long. Helen is in Ireland. She has been there for 3 days. Or we can say Helen is in Ireland. She has been there since Monday. We use for plus a period of time. For example, 3 days, 2 years, etc. We use since plus the start of the period. For example, Monday, 9 o'clock, etc. You can see the timeline as well. How to use for? For 3 days, for an hour, for a week, for a month, for 5 years, for 10 minutes, for 2 hours, for 4 weeks, for 6 months, for a long time. Now, how to use since? Since Monday, since 9 o'clock, since 24th July, since January, since 1985, since Wednesday, since 12:30, since Christmas, since I was 10 years old, since we arrived. When we are going to use since, we should be careful that we should mention the start of the period. But when we are going to use for, then we should mention a period of time. Some more examples. Richard has been in Canada for 6 months. Richard has been in Canada since January. We have been waiting for 2 hours. We have been waiting since 9 o'clock. I have lived in London for a long time. I have lived in London since I was 10 years old. Now, section B. How to use ago. Ago means before now. Suzanne started her new job 3 weeks ago. When did Tom go out? 10 minutes ago. I had dinner an hour ago. Life was very different 100 years ago. We use ago with the past. Started, did, had, was, etc. Compare ago and for. When did Helen arrive in Ireland? She arrived in Ireland 3 days ago. Now we have used past simple tense. How long has she been in Ireland? She has been in Ireland for 3 days. Here we have used present perfect tense. Now it's time for exercises. 19.1. Write for or since. Number 1. Helen has been in Ireland since Monday. Number 2. Helen has been in Ireland for 3 days. Number 3. My aunt has lived in Australia for 15 years. Number 4. Tina is in her office. She has been there since 7 o'clock. Number 5. India has been an independent country since 1947. Number 6. The bus is late. We have been waiting for 20 minutes. Number 7. Nobody lives in those houses. They have been empty for many years. Number 8. Michael has been ill for a long time. He has been in hospital since October. Now, exercise number 19.2. Answer these questions. Use ago. Number 1. When was your last meal? 3 hours ago. Number 2. When was the last time you were ill? 3 months ago. Number 3. When did you last go to the cinema? 1 year ago. Number 4. When was the last time you were in a car? 3 days ago. Number 5. When was the last time you went on holiday? 1 year ago. Now, exercise number 19.3. Complete the sentences. Use for or ago with these words. Number 1. Helen arrived in Ireland 3 days ago. Here, ago is being used in past simple tense. Number 2. Helen has been in Ireland for 3 days. For is being used in present perfect tense. Number 3. Lion and Mark have been married for 20 years. Here, for is being used with present perfect tense. Number 4. Lion and Mark got married 20 years ago. Here, ago is being used with past simple tense. Number 5. Dan arrived an hour ago. Ago is being used with past simple tense. Number 6. I bought these shoes a few days ago. Here, ago is being used with past simple tense. Number 7. Sylvia has been learning English for 6 months. Here, for is being used with present perfect continuous. Number 8. Have you known Lisa for a long time? Here, for is being used with present perfect. Now, exercise number 19.4. Complete the sentences with for or since. Number 1. Helen is in Ireland. She arrived there 3 days ago. Helen has been in Ireland for 3 days. Number 2. Jack is here. He arrived on Tuesday. Jack has been here since Tuesday. Number 3. It's raining. It started an hour ago. It's been raining for an hour. Number 4. I know Sue. I first met her in 2008. I've known Sue since 2008. Number 5. Claire and Matt are married. They got married 6 months ago. Claire and Matt have been married for 6 months. Number 6. Laura is studying medicine at university. She started 3 years ago. Laura has been studying medicine at university for 3 years. Number 7. David has played the piano since he was 7 years old. 19.5. Write sentences about yourself. Begin your sentences with I have lived, I have been learning, I have known, I have had. Number 1. I have lived in this town for 3 years. Number 2. I have been in the same job for 10 years. Number 3. I have been learning English for 6 months. Number 4. I have known Chris for a long time. Number 5. I have had a headache since I got up this morning. This is the end of unit number 19. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. I appreciate it. Good luck and happy learning. I'll see you in my next video, unit number 20. Till then, bye bye.